This video is sponsored by Lexar. Lexar is an industry-leading storage manufacturer that specializes in different types of reliable memory cards, USB flash drives, SSDs, and card readers. Stay tuned to find out how Lexar can help you level up your smartphone storage. What's up, everybody? My name is Jonathan Casey. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is a channel where I like to talk all things tech related. It doesn't matter if it's a camera, a smartphone, or a computer. Chances are you're going to see it on this channel. I deliver content in a unique and interesting format, and I do it every single week. If that sounds good to you, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And while you're at it, enable those notifications so you can be alerted when new content drops. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Galaxy S20 Ultra, but in specific, why you should pick up the Ultra instead of the S20 Plus. Because honestly, in my personal opinion, the S20 Plus just doesn't make sense anymore, and I feel like it's like the ugly duckling of the three, and you should probably skip it and just get the Ultra. So here are 5 reasons why. Number 1 is the price. And I know a lot of you guys are probably gonna be thinking, the Ultra is a more expensive phone. How can price have anything to do with picking up that phone over the S20 Plus? Well, just hear me out. When you look at these two phones, the 20 Plus is a $1,200 phone, and the 20 Ultra is a $1,400 phone. That's a $200 difference. And I know that's still a lot of money, but when you figure most people are picking up these phones under a contract or some type of installment plan, $200 extra equates to like $9 or $10 extra a month. If you're already spending $45 a month on a phone, what's 55? It's really not that big of a difference. And if you spec out both phones, the S20 Plus ends up being around $150 more, whereas the S20 Ultra is $200 more. Again, that difference is going to be very, very minute. And if you're spending that much money already on a phone, you might as well just go ahead and get the best of the best. Reason number 2 is the bigger display. Most people skipping the Galaxy S20 want a bigger display. And even though the S20 Plus might seem appealing, it's a little bit cheaper, which we already went over, and it has a bigger display, the S20 Ultra actually has a bigger display coming in at 6.9 inches, and the form factor of these two phones is very, very similar. Granted, the S20 Ultra is a little bit thicker and it's heavier. There are reasons for the extra thickness and heft that I really think you're gonna like, which leads me into number 3, which is the better cameras. The Galaxy S20 Ultra technically has better cameras than the S20 Plus. If we start with the main camera, we're looking at 108 megapixels versus 12 megapixels. Now there is some more information to go with these two cameras, which I'll cover in a separate video, but for the most part, the S20 Ultra should perform better than the S20 Plus. If we look at the telephoto camera, on the Ultra, we're looking at 48 megapixels, but it has a 10 times hybrid optical zoom, versus the 64 megapixels on the Plus, which only has a 3 times hybrid optical zoom. For all the selfie fanatics out there, the S20 Ultra packs a 40 megapixel front-facing camera, whereas the S20 Plus packs a 10 megapixel. Obviously, the higher the megapixel count, the more detailed the image. You're gonna be able to do some cropping. So maybe you took a wide-angle selfie with a friend, and you guys are no longer friends and you wanna crop them out. You're gonna be able to do that with the S20 Ultra without really losing any detail in your shot, whereas the S20 Plus, you might end up with a little bit of artifacting going on, a little bit of grain, because 10 megapixels just, I don't know, it's just not 40 megapixels. So if you want a better camera experience, go with the Ultra. Reason number 4 is the bigger battery. The Galaxy S20 Ultra packs a 5,000 milliamp hour battery versus the S20 Plus, which packs a 4,500 milliamp hour battery. Given that the display size is very similar, you could expect much better battery life off of the Ultra. Plus, the Ultra supports 45 watt fast charging, so you're gonna be able to charge that battery much faster than the Plus. Reason number 5 is more RAM. The Galaxy S20 Ultra can be configured with 16 gigabytes of RAM, which is crazy. The Galaxy S20 Plus can only go up to 12 gigabytes, while storage really isn't a big deal thanks to the micro SD card slot. And this video's sponsor, you can definitely level up your storage with great speeds from the 1800X series from Lexar. But if you just want the maximum amount of storage for photos, maybe some games, things like that, you're gonna be great with the 633X series, which goes all the way up to 512 gigabytes. However, the actual SD card slot or support itself within the Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra Lexar can be expanded up to 1 terabyte. So once Lexar drops those 1 terabyte micro SD cards, you're gonna be able to pick one up. Links to the 1800X as well as the 633X can be found in the description of this video if you feel like checking them out. Like I said, the S20 Ultra can be configured with 16 gigabytes of RAM, whereas the S20 Plus only has 12 gigabytes. And I don't mean only like trying to downplay it by any means, because 12 gigabytes of RAM on a mobile phone is more than sufficient for most people. However, if you rely on your phone like it was your personal computer, you do a lot of multitasking, background app switching, and gaming, that 16 gigabytes of RAM is really gonna make a difference, and I think that you'll see some performance improvements along the way. That was 5 reasons why I personally would skip the S20 Plus and get the S20 Ultra, but leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you agree with me or not? And if you don't agree with me, let me know why. I definitely look forward to hearing what you guys have to say about this entire situation. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos just like this. I have tons of S20 content coming, and I will talk to you amazing people in the next video.